there we go. The carbon guard fitted on the front. A few modifications to the seat base. I've added a little bit of foam, some fasteners. This runs through into underneath where the stainless steel electronics tray. You probably haven't seen that, but you will see that in one of the episodes. Carbon rear guard. So there's a trial on this weekend down country, so I will take it and give it its first hiding. Still working out what I'm doing with regard to tanks. I'd like to build a carbon fiber small tank setup, a bit like the Montesa is a single piece with the seat built into it. This is the original tank. This side's got a nice dent in it. The other side is very original. The plastic tank has arrived, which is this one. Not entirely sure. I'll have to do some modifications on the frame to get it to fit, but it's 3 and a bit litres, and it's quite nicely positioned. I should be able to get it slightly lower and further back, which gives us a whole lot more room, so the frame might need to be cut. I don't know whether I can come back to there. It looks a bit stupid. I think further forward is about the right position. Very, very different shape. Very different shape. Stay. So but that's going to be a whole different. So this will be follow through and have the seat as part of that.
Yep, Mrs. has just got taught it today. They're going out shopping or whatever the hell they're doing, so yeah. Not a bad it's the first one this year riding green again. So lots of stuff.
please add your thoughts and comments.